Here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your volume panel on this device. So as you can see right now, I have like my default volume panel, but you can actually customize it if you download this Volume Styles app from the Play Store. So firstly you have to tap Start, then grant accessibility service permissions, and now you can customize your volume panels. So you can pick one of these proposed ones. Like you have the Android one, Android 12, iOS, IUI, and a lot of different other volume styles, but my personal favorite one is this emoji one. As you can see, now I have this emoji volume panel here. You can also create your own style. You can change these styles, customize them. Some features are for free, for some features you have to pay, but overall you have different styles here, so pretty fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.